Day 36, this is going to be a good one. Storytelling that converts. On our day 36 of our Confidence to Cash 90-day sprint, today we're going to deep dive into one of the most powerful tools in your business arsenal, storytelling that sells. Not just any storytelling, but the kind that naturally converts without feeling pushy or salesy. This is about mastering the art of using authentic stories to create genuine connections and drive results. So let's start with the fundamental truth about what many business owners overlook. People don't make purchasing decisions based on features, specs, or even facts alone. They buy because they believe. They believe in the possibility of change. They believe in the solution that you're offering. And most importantly, they believe in the ability to achieve similar results. This is where the magic of storytelling comes into play. So stories are uniquely powerful because they demonstrate the transformation in a way that's raw data. When you share your journey, whether it's your own clients, you're not just telling a tale, you're painting that picture of possibility. Your audience can see themselves in that journey, recognize their own challenges, and envision their potential success. This is why stories pull people together naturally rather than pushing them aggressively to sales tactics. The most effective stories follow a simple yet powerful structure: struggle, shift, success. The struggle portion helps your audience relate and feel understood. The shift shows where there's a way forward, and a moment of change or decision can alter their trajectory. And the success part isn't just about celebrating wins, it's about showing what's possible, what's truly possible when someone takes action. Testimonials and case studies are practically powerful whenever it's structured this way. They're not just success stories, they're roadmaps of transformation that potential clients can follow. And when you share these stories, you're not just selling, you're showing. You're demonstrating real results through real experiences, which builds credibility and trust, far more effective than any sales pitch. Now let's talk about how implementing this in business today. Start by selecting a compelling story. It could be your own journey, or it could be a client's transformation, or even a small win that you could demonstrate the effectiveness of your approach. Remember, not every story needs to be about massive, life-changing results. Sometimes the most relatable stories are the overcoming everyday challenges. When crafting your story, focus on the emotional journey as much as the practical one. What are the fears? What are your doubts at the beginning? What is your turning point that led you to change? And how did you feel to finally achieve that success? These emotional points help your audience connect with the story on a much deeper level and see themselves as a narrative. As you share your story, always tie it back to your offer, and in that way it feels natural and supportive. You're not forcing a sale, you're extending an invitation. Show your audience how you can achieve similar results by working with you. The key to this position is to offer a bridge between their current struggle and their desired success. Here's your action step for today. Share one transformation story using the struggle, shift, and success framework. It doesn't have to be perfect. Authentically matters more than polished delivery every day. Focus on those real emotions, the genuine challenges, and the true impact of transformation. When you share your story, comment a story below and let us know that you completed your exercise. Stories sell because they create belief, and the belief is what moves people to action. Your story could be exactly what someone else needs to hear today to take the first step. Get out and share your story with others because there's someone out there that needs you. Have a blessed one. See you tomorrow.